Today I picked up this new Smart Pond and Waterfall Pump. It does 1,200 gallons per hour, as well as the 1-inch ID tube that I'll be using to run at my waterfall. I purchased this pump because the current pump I have is just not putting out enough water flow to make a nice, beautiful waterfall. So now that the package is open, you will find your nice small pump inside, as well as a pump shield. This helps keep out the debris out of the pump as it's operating. Now it's very simple. Just add your tube on there. All you have to do is twist it on and you are all set. Now that you have the hose attached, all you have to do now is add the pump shield and you're all set to go to plug it in and start running the water. One thing I do want to point out is the very simple cleaning instructions when the pond might get all clogged up with debris. It's a very simple 4-step process. I purchased this pump today with the hope of increasing the water flow off my waterfall. I would call that a major success.